How to get YouTube Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get YouTube Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to get YouTube Premium, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. And currently you can see I don't have the premium, so if I want to get premium, what I need to do is I need to come to the U tab from the bottom right. Now they have changed the layout a little bit, so you might want to make sure that you're updated, and scroll down here. You'll find the option called Get YouTube Premium. So when you tap on the Get YouTube Premium option, you should be able to see a list of features: ad-free and background play, downloads YouTube Music Premium, and so on. So now you can just tap on the try it for free option here. You can select individual, family, student, or whatever else you prefer. Tap the confirm option here and make sure to add your payment method to your Google account. After that, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then get YouTube Premium. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically get YouTube Premium. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.